Hello, it's Felly999 here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make the crying babyish duck call. It's mixed with like a crying baby and a duck. So, first, you're going to want to do that. Then you're going to want to put your fingers together, and when there's an X, you're going to want to make sure there's a little hole, like this. So let's try it out. If you suck in, it makes... If you blow, it does. If you suck, it does. That's one of the things I like to do. And want to know the best part? I trolled you. So, hit your like and bye.